This was one of our final mornings in Desolation Sound. From our anchorage in Prideaux Haven, we made our way to Grace Harbor before starting the journey home. We stopped in Pender Harbor for one night and were greeted by humpback whales in Howe Sound the following day. It was a spectacular way to wrap up the summer.
I kept our photos, I just hid them away. So when I'm over you, I'll look and say, don't be sad that it's over, just be happy that you got to hold somebody's heart, even if it wasn't for very long. I keep our memories in the back of my mind, so as I age I'll remember the time when we didn't look too far in front of our own eyes, 'cause being young was something our parents told us would fly by. Well, we're not young forever, but when we were together, time slowed down. And we didn't have forever, but I didn't mind whenever you were around. I guess I didn't know what I had found. I left those thoughts with the man I left behind. So as I move on, I won't waste any time thinking about what could have been, but never really was. More than a flame that flickered in the night.
And that's it. Now we're anchored to Grace Harbor. Last stop before we head south. Beautiful spot, beautiful day.
But when we were together, time slowed down.
Captain's just doing his final checks. Engines off, headsets off. It means we've arrived. And then he flicks a bunch of switches. Flick, 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 flick. Turning off all the instruments that we don't need while we're at anchor so that we save power. Generator's off now too. We're anchored in Grace Harbor today, and we did a quick hike up to Black Lake, which is just a small little lake. It's got these pretty water lilies, I think. Water lilies. Anyway, it's kind of cool to see. A little bit different. And of course, we've got our trusty Chihuahua companion, did the hike, and the trusty captain.
Hello.
I guess me too. Yeah, it's a nice little place to relax on. See you later, Black Lake. Here we go, heading back. Pretty short hike this one, which is nice. It's just over the kilometer. And the trail really well travels. It's easy to follow. Come on, bud. Let's go. Oh, detour. Come on, pup. Go on. Okay, go find Dad. Go, Papa-doo. Okay, go. Good boy. I think he's in a snuffling mood. Good boy, hiding in the shade. Very smart. It is hot today, probably 28 to 30 degrees somewhere in here. So I'm gonna head back to Eudora and then probably jump in for a swim. Anchorage is definitely busier than when we came in this morning, but still nice and quiet here. Yeah, it's nice hike. Yeah, see, it's stretched over here. Let's do something. You know your safety glasses on. What's up with that?
Might have a cold or something.
Are you gonna jump in, bud? Okay, good boy.
I'll let you get in.
Okay. And I'll let you get in. Oh, maybe not. Hurrah!
We made it.
Did it. See if we could spot any jellyfishes. I wonder if early in the morning there'll be some. There's Eudora. Oh, sweet home. here.
I did not get that on my captain book. Cool.
I think I got that one.
That's pretty amazing. Smoke thing.